Hello and welcome to this video on how to link branches in Tricentis Tosca to GitHub. If you are hosting your system under test or SUT on GitHub, you can easily link your Tosca repository to your GitHub repository. And if you make a change to your SUT in GitHub, you can link that individual GitHub revision to its respective Tosca project version. In order to use this functionality, you need to consider a few important points. One is that you must be working in a multi-user workspace, and two is that you need to have versioning integration enabled in Tosca. Versioning integration allows you to work with different versioning systems in Tosca, but this is disabled by default. To enable it, within Tosca Commander, select Project from the top, navigate to Options, select Versioning Integration, and then click the Enabled checkbox and click OK. You will then be prompted by a message to restart Tosca Commander in order to apply the changes. To link your Tosca repository to GitHub, make sure you have checked out from your Tosca project. Then right-click on your root project and from the menu select Connect to GitHub repository. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your GitHub repository URL. Click OK, and in the subsequent pop-up, enter your GitHub credentials and click OK. In the last step to link your Tosca repository to GitHub, select the GitHub branch in the pop-up and click OK. Once your Tosca and GitHub repositories are linked, you will see a confirmation message in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The system will then create two new project properties. One is versioning branch, which displays the name of the linked GitHub branch, and the second is the versioning URL, which displays the URL to the respective GitHub repository. You have now successfully learned how to link your Tosca repository to GitHub.